Howdy everybody, Steve here, KM9G. Xiegu has a new firmware update for the G90. Well, Xiegu's got half a firmware update for the G90. They want you to update the display unit only, and really, this is just cat control changes. They added a couple of extra cat commands to make it easier for you to do JS8 call or FT8, any WSJTX type software. So, my feelings on this are, if you're already doing FT8 and JS8, then you're already set up. I don't know that it's going to offer you anything that you don't already have or don't already have a solution for. This is 1.18, which is the display unit only firmware update. And the one before this is 1.17. If you haven't done 1.17, I think it's 1.17 B2, then do both of them at the same time. But if you have already done 1.17 B2, then I wouldn't worry about doing 1.18 because you've already got a solution. If you're just getting started with FT8 and you've never done it before, then go for it. Inside of the firmware documentation, there is the screenshot of the radio settings page for where all the different settings need to be set at in order to work with the new display unit update. Just wanted to let you know that the firmware is available and in existence, and my thoughts are, unless you need it, don't worry about it. If you do need it, there is a link in the description down below to Radiodity's website where you can go download this, and there is a video up here on how to do the firmware update on the G90. Otherwise, there is a video right over here I think you'll enjoy next. Thanks for being awesome. I'll see you over there.